47 or 46. That's crazy. My ferns are getting beat to death. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh. Should we bring that in?
Probably not.
Oh, my ferns. Our poles. Ugh. A crazy storm, wasn't it, Bear? You like storms? Huh? You like hands? Okay. Good talk. Kind of awkward. I barely fit, but I fit. Right there? Maybe a little further in. That look good?
Yeah. Gotta push hard to get it started. Today, I'm not doing anything.
Ta-da!
I'll put your new veggies in there.
Put our little stuff in there. So, that concludes my little makeover of this corner. I feel a lot better about it. I feel like I've just been sitting here for months, like staring at what this used to look like, and it just stressed me out. It was like so cluttered. This is a step in the right direction. This chaotic corner is definitely our next project. There's a lot going on. Babywood did some work today.
I didn't do anything.
That's true.
Nothing.
That's true.
I did read an article that was very interesting about a couple that figured out how to live on cruise ships instead of paying mortgage. At 50, they retired, saved up their money, and they spent on average $15,000 to $22,000 a year, and they just get from one cruise ship to the next cruise ship to the next cruise ship. All their food's inclusive. It's actually a pretty smart idea.
Well,
See
yeah.
the world for,
Not a bad
say,
idea.
$25,000 a year and eat and everything. I mean, that's a pretty good idea. I'm not really big on cruise ships, but let's just say me and you decided, let's take a year off and go cruise for a solid year. We could literally spend $15,000, $25,000 and spend a whole year at sea and eat and see everything. That's pretty cheap.
Interesting idea. It's always cool to learn about other forms of alternative living, you know, ways of thinking outside the box about doing things. That's what we like.
Got it.
Oh my god. I also just got a bunch of stuff from my old bedroom at my mom's house. I was really into rocks as a kid. Just found some cool stuff that I thought would work in my mind here. We'll see if it pans out. That is so cute. Okay.
Like it?
That is adorable.
So I called it out, didn't I?
Come look, it has like a little mushroom kingdom in there.
Oh, Brandon, you had a great idea.
It is a good idea. Just the start, just some random things, but we'll add to it as we go. First go out hanging some fun little things and decorating our new driftwood. What do we think, Aiko? Do we approve? Huh? Give the old sniff test. The plants are gonna get a little bath. So is Aiko. Sorry about it. What do you think about it, Miss Bear? What do you say? One more. Let's see one more. So just to orient you in case you might be new with us, where we are located is Lake Fontana, which is on the south side of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park here in western North Carolina. And we are definitely in a bona fide temperate rainforest here. The Smokies can actually receive up to 85 inches of rain a year. So this is one of the rainiest times of the year. It's not uncommon at all when I'm scrolling through the weather app just to see every single day they're predicting rain. And it's not usually all day. Like today's been exceptionally rainy, but it is pretty much every day, like afternoon thunderstorm or, evening thunderstorm, something like that, which can definitely cut into our surfing this time of year. I mean, we don't have a problem surfing, in rain, but most of the time if it's actually raining, it tends to be thunderstorming. So that's a different ballgame. But speaking of which, it looks like it is lightening up, so we might actually go for a little surf sesh.
Not as good as I once was.
Ooh. That's good.
All right, you ready? All right, Aiko, this is your 1 minute of fame every week-ish, whenever we get to it. So you have a new subscriber named Lulu, and she loves watching you on TV. Maybe we'll show the link so you can see this dog going crazy for Aiko. It is so funny.
Jump in. Go jump. Jump in the water. Made our day.
It made our day. Thank you so much, Lulu, for following Aiko. Would you like to say anything to Lulu? Yeah, I think so too. So, we had 55-mile-an-hour winds for a while that blew power lines out, wreaked havoc on the place. Pay attention, we're on the movie. And, what'd you think about our win? Now, Aiko, do you have anything that you want to say to
Don't
any
be
of
shy.
your other dog followers out there? Is there anything you'd like, good quotes? Y'all have a good day.
Thank you so much for watching this 1 minute with Aiko. If your dog watches TV with you too whenever you watch our episodes, please feel free to send us a video like Deb did that we just featured. That was awesome. You can email us or send it to us on Instagram. Either one, both are in the description below. But thank you guys so much, and we will see you next week. Bye.